kind of hear it over here too, but it definitely sounds like it's coming from somewhere over